At this moment, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you a very happy new year to all the citizens of the state Meghalaya. Once again, as the president of the East India Hills Public Coal Association, I request the MDA government to release all the coal challan for the public for those who had applied challan. Because during the previous government, the National Congress, they released all the coal challan for the public so that they will get to earn their daily livelihood. During the time of the National Congress, the public transport exporting coal very happily. And also for the poor and needy, they can easily earn their daily livelihood. But I don't understand that why this MDA government is very rude and partial to the public. I feel very pity for the public because right now they are exporting coal in loss because the challan rate is very costly and also the transporting rate is very costly. This affects the public so much who are transporting coal because they are trying to earn their livelihood to feed their children, but oppositely they are lost, they are dying more. The MDA government doesn't have eyes to see how much the public are struggling. They are facing lots of problems and hardships. How much they are crying mostly for the poor and needy. If the coal market goes on like this, then one day all the public who expect their daily livelihood from coal, they will all come to the roadside. I request the MDA government to release the coal challan for all the public who had applied challan. Like the time of the Congress government, they released all the coal challan for the public, how happily and easily the public can earn their daily livelihood to feed their children. The truth is that the entry fees, including the challan fees, is more than 1,20,000. It is very costly. And oppositely, the public who transport coal, exporting coal, are in loss. They try to earn their livelihood to feed their children, but unfortunately, they are dying. I hope that the MDA government will look at this matter because they should not think about themselves only. You should think about the public, mainly for the poor and needy, how much they are suffering, how much they are struggling. I have seen that all these ministers in the MDA government, their size have become like pythons. During the election time, they ask vote from us, from the public. When they win, they sat on the chair to work for themselves only, not for us, not for the public. I request, if the MDA government have eyes to see, have ears to hear, so please look at this matter. Look how the public is struggling right now because even the third lockdown is going to take place on our state Meghalaya. So before the third lockdown take place in the state, please do something for the public, mostly for the poor and needy, so that they will get to earn something and it will support them. So much it will support them during the lockdown time.